Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 24th of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 and CFD contracts. If we look at the daily and macro chart of 1 hour, we see that the price is in uptrend, and during the global session it went up constantly. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price has started to go up after New York market opening. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to come down and the price have a retest of this previous level of support and find any pullback and take long positions repeatedly in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back, and we're going to review the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq. Around 10:10 started this wave of uptrend here when there was a pullback and the buyers came back. So I took some long positions here with setup C and T, and another wave of trend with setup C and T again was taken. And on Dow Jones, I took some long positions with setup T around 10:30 in this wave of uptrend. And since the trend was very strong and was too much overbought, I switched to micro contracts and took some long positions here with setup T, as you see on micro Nasdaq. And I reached the daily target and finished for the day early, and all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see here, we are positive with profit factor of 30, which is coming from 90% win rate, all from 10 long positions taken, and average win to loss ratio of 3.41. The largest winning trade was 280, and the largest losing trade was $34, which was the daily drawdown. So the CMC market was open only half a day and just didn't have enough time to focus on the CFD account and took limited number of trades. And you see the list of these 3 trades. So we gained about $5 in this small 5K CFD profit accounts. That corresponds to $300 profit in the 300K futures account. And as you see again, the equity curve is growing with no daily drawdown. So tomorrow is Christmas time and many people take vacations, and we're going to come back later on to see if the market is trendy like today, and we will take some positions and update you. So have a wonderful day and happy Christmas holiday with your family.